Internally displaced persons across valley districts continue with their protest against government for conducting the Sangai festival before ensuring their resettlement at their original homes. Internally displaced persons who are currently taking shelter at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Lamboi Khongnangkhong took out a rally today demanding government to allow their return to their original homes if peace and normalcy have indeed returned to the state, as government has found it conducive to hold the Sangai festival. Protesters held placards that read, "We boycott Sangai festival, resettlement first, Sangai festival next." Speaking on the sidelines, a protester expressed her disappointment over government for assuming that peace and normalcy have returned to the state, while also describing their deplorable living conditions and broken dreams in relief camps. She also urged government to prioritize their rehabilitation and resettlement before indulging in festivities. She also demanded for early restoration of popular government while citing difficulties in seeking help and assistance.